Hey, this is Nellie's Farm. It's October 24th, 2024. Thank you for all of the birthday wishes to my son Rick, who makes the critter videos. His birthday was yesterday. I posted it in the community page. Today, I'm harvesting my first ever harvest of sweet potatoes from these buckets, the cat litter buckets. I poured them out, but I kept most of them intact so that you could see them. I had some that look so tiny, like maybe a small carrot, but others are pretty good. I'm thinking maybe I need a bigger container. Now, did you know that you can eat those greens, the leaves, and they're very nutritious? You can cook them like in a pan, like saute them like you would any other greens, like spinach or something, in a pinch, in a survival situation. Now, these took right on the bottom. I thought that was very interesting how they did that. This was my first time planting. I'm hoping that my hens will eat these roots and the leaves up. I don't waste anything here. But that's what my channel is supposed to be about. Homesteading for cheap. I can't wait to have these, even if they are small, in my, put them in my cooker. I guess most of these ones grew on the bottom. And here's another. And saute them in some butter and some onions. Oh, and of course, garlic. Oh my gosh, I can almost taste it. Okay, I guess that's almost all for that one. Well, these look more like carrots, but they are sweet potatoes. Yeah, I think maybe they didn't grow that big because of the containers, but I thought they might do well that way, but that's okay. I'm happy, with these. I'm very happy with what I got. It's my first attempt at growing these. It's very easy to grow. Good beginner, crop for someone who's a beginner. I'm not, this green thumb stuff, I don't have it. I have to work on it. I was raised in a big city, which is why I always wanted to come to a place like this. But anyway, I wanted to show you my little sweet potato harvest, literally little sweet potato harvest. I'll let you know how they tasted too. And I hope you guys are having a great week. Nellie's Farm signing off. Thanks for watching.